Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today we're going to do a green chili chicken enchilada pizza over here on the Blackstone. We're going to have to wake it up, get it out of there. But first, what we got to do is we got to smoke our chicken, or cook our chicken. It won't really be smoked. But we're going to cook it on the little Pit Boss Tailgater today. We're going to have to wake that one up too. It's still in its little covering there. So I'm going to get that chicken cooked up, cut up, and we'll get to making our pizza. Cover up that guy. Open the lid. Alright, so plug from the wall, you said. Now we can turn the smoke. Let it smoke. We'll turn the temperature up to 350 degrees. We're jumping from 345 to 350. Little Pit Boss is ready. My chicken is ready. Just have some garlic pepper on there and olive oil. You guys have seen the video before, right? Man, I tell you what, if we didn't have wind, we wouldn't have weather at all. So, let's get this chicken on there so we can get to our green chili chicken pizza. This should take about 25 to 30 minutes. We'll check back in a few. In about 25 minutes. Let's check the tip. Okay, we've probably got a good 10 minutes or more left. Go flip those over. While I'm at it. Maybe. Alright, we'll check back in about 10. Unwrap the Blackstone. Nice cover for it. Ta-da! Now that's Blackstone right there. Get it started up. Clean this lid, blow it out. Alright, we'll let that warm up. Just took the chicken off. It was reading at 172 a second ago. There it is, 165. I'm going to get this cut up. We're doing chicken enchilada pizza with green chili. I think I said green chili enchilada, but it's actually, we're actually using red enchilada sauce from Anita's Finest. That's our favorite. It's a New Mexico style. We've got some sour cream. Gonna do some onions, some olives, some cheese. Not the smashing hammer, but the tortillas. So let's get some of this prepared. Yeah, that chicken is done to perfection on the Pit Boss Tailgater. Took about 35 minutes. Look at that, what's going on in this pizza. Okay, so first thing we got to do is get our enchilada sauce on here. We're going to get that heated up before we get the pizza going. Since it's not baked, we try to get everything on it hot and warm. So let's let that go for a few. Okay, so while the sauce is heating up, we're also going to go ahead and get a little olive oil down there and get our chopped onions on here. Like I said, this won't be baking, so we're pre-cooking everything. Let those cook a little bit, get translucent. I'm cooking with the left two burners on. About a medium. You don't want to go too fast. Just right. The onions are nice and cooked up here. Slide those over here. It's not so hot. It is warm. These burners are off, but it still heats up from the heat. I'm also going to get the chicken on over here to keep it warm. Hear that, I think. So while we're waiting for that sauce to heat up, I mean, I'm sure some of you have seen the tortilla pizzas that have been on these Blackstones. Well, we're mixing it up a little bit and doing a tortilla chicken enchilada. And we're gonna add some green chili, some olives, some onions, cheese, sour cream, just like an enchilada. It's all gonna be on a tortilla. It should be really good. As soon as that heats up, we're gonna get them rolling. Okay, the sauce is getting hot. About ready. Oh yeah, that's nice and hot. Okay, I'm gonna move this down here out of the way. So, I'm gonna put a little avocado oil on here on my pizzas. What we're gonna do with these tortillas, these are just burrito size. Toast them up a little bit for about a minute or so. Like a pizza dough. I'm gonna poke a hole in the tops of those. Okay, now we're gonna start building. Put our red enchilada sauce on there. A little heavy. Like that. A little bit of the chicken on there. We're actually putting all the chicken on there. We got about even amounts on them. Some onion on there. Grilled onions. Chili on there. In New Mexico, we always have green chili, right? Okay. An enchilada without the sour cream. I probably could have put it in a squirt bottle and made it easier, but this works. Okay. And we like black olives in our enchiladas. Throw some black olives in there, sliced, right out of the can. Easy peasy. No kitchen recipes. How to make it easy. Who wants to slice olives anyway? Olive on there. Now for the cheese. We're using the 4-blend Mexican style. Yeah, look at that. That looks wonderful. Much or as little cheese as you want. That looks good to me. Let's check the bottom of that. Hope it's getting nice and cooked. Good. I think that center is a little hotter. That wind blowing the far left side isn't quite as hot. Take the red chili off of there. Throw some more olives on top. Yeah, if you don't like olives, you don't have to have them. We do. I do. It gets it. Many of it. Okay, I am going to close the lid for a second. I can't get that cheese to melt. Here, I've got a couple of aluminum pans. I don't have a cover yet. I'll cover those up. Let's see if we can help that cheese melt. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, that's looking wonderful. Off of there. Look at that. Oh man, these are good. Okay. Get these off and get them in the house. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Oh man. All right, let's get them in. That's really good. Tastes like a chicken enchilada. Look at the bottom of that tortilla. Oh man, this is so good. You gotta make it.